Here's case number 2. In case number 2, we will calculate the heart rate. So we'll determine the heart rate for each of the following rhythm strips. First, a word on how to calculate. When you're looking at a rhythm strip, count the number of large squares between two consecutive QRS complexes. For example, here's two arrows between QRS complexes. For the first one, I chose a QRS that happens to fall on a line of the graph of the ECG. That way it makes counting and visualizing a whole lot easier. So if we count the number of large boxes, we will then divide 300 by that number. Why 300? Because each large block on an ECG represents 0.2 seconds at normal paper speed passing under the machine stylus. If we then divide 60 seconds, 1 minute, by 0.2, you will get 300 squares passing beneath the recording stylus in that single minute. Note that the smallest block in the ECG represents 0.04 seconds. So looking at the first rhythm strip, if we count the large boxes in between, it looks to be just less than 8 squares, so we get a heart rate of approximately 39. The next one here is much faster. We'll place our arrows and count, and we get a little bit more than 2 boxes. This rate is about 140 beats per minute. This next one, we see that there are just over 4 boxes here. It's zoomed in, so that's why it appears a little bit different. And this one gives us a heart rate of about 87. Next, another fast one. We'll place our arrows between QRS complexes and count. And this one is actually less than 2, so this rate's about 160. This last one, we'll place our arrows. Again, it's almost 2 large boxes. About 160 will be the rate for that.